Welcome to the soap dispensary, my favorite store in Vancouver. If you can't find what you're looking for in here, you're looking for all the wrong stuff. Rastafaro. I almost forgot, that was a close one. But if we're gonna be heading to the soap dispensary, we gotta make sure we bring all our old containers, jars, bottles, anything that we wanna refill. We're gonna package it and bring it with us because we wanna limit our waste. That's one of the best things about the soap dispensary, so we gotta stock up. Alright, so we're all stocked up, got our bottles, jars, containers, we ready for refills. Let's head to the soap dispensary. Oh shoot, almost forgot the most important thing. The essential oils container. So this has all the essential oils. Gotta stock up. Alright, so let's go. So I'm super blessed. The soap dispensary is like a 10-minute drive from me. So about to go meet up with my homie right here. And we about to go cruise. Yeah. How are you? Chillin', bro. He told me I gotta chill out with the knock it. I'm going way too hard.
You have to realize, bro, I seen you break some shit without you. Like, you know when Goku's having dinner and he breaks his glasses and Chi-Chi's like, what the fuck? I know that shit has happened to you back in the day, yo.
Come on, man. I control my strength now. I know it's good. No way! I forgot my whole other bag with all my jars. We gotta head back. You cool with that, my guy?
We gotta do what we gotta do.
You gotta do what you gotta do. If you ain't got jars, how you gonna go soap dispensary? No, I forgot my jars. Here's the bag. Now we're ready to go. Alright, so we got the bag, got my bag here, jars on deck. Luckily the soap dispensary is only a 10-minute drive from my house, that's a blessing. So here we are. What we're gonna do first, got all our jars with the stuff we already know what we're gonna get. So we're just gonna go to the order here and just get them filled. And in the meantime, while that's getting filled, we're just gonna go around and find all the other fun stuff. There's just so much amazing stuff in here. So we're just gonna go a little search. Hi. How are you doing? Good, how are you? Excellent. So have this fill, almond oil. This right here is my favorite section. It's basically all the oils, all the different things for your skin. And before I was vegan, before I was plant-based, any of that stuff, I recognized that my skin is my biggest organ and I need to feed my skin the same way I feed myself, my mouth. So that means I come here and I get these high quality, high grade oils for my skin, and I usually make my own concoction. So let's check what they got. So I'm getting the almond oil, that's my favorite. Castor oil, stocked up on castor, stocked up on grapeseed, always have hemp seed oil. But one thing I really like is the witch hazel. Put this on your skin like after you shower, after you wash it off. Put some witch hazel on your skin, A1, and then the rose water. This is a killer combo. We got like our different incense. Some Palo Santo incense, so you can just light it and then let it be sitting there for a little bit. Definitely gotta stock up on some candles. They got the beeswax candles. You know, you wanna set the mood, you wanna get it right, but then you got some toxic candles, right? So, you know, do it properly. So like, this is like it's so fun coming in here because you just look around and you think you know what's out there, but then you look and you see something here. Multifunctional underwear. That's the wave. I'm actually looking for some EMF underwear myself. I wonder if they got EMF boxers here. I need to protect myself from the phone frequency. That's what I need the protection from. Magnesium oil. I personally make my own magnesium oil. You can get your magnesium salt, but you can refill it here if you'd like. I smell fresh. You know, I smell fresh. I got my deodorant in check. But in case you want those personal hygiene products, this is your section. They have all different kinds of deodorant. I don't know if y'all ever tried those rock crystal deodorants where you gotta like scrub your armpits like 2,000 times just for it to work. You don't gotta do that. There's like all these different kinds here. This is actually what I use is lavender and tea tree. So I use my own deodorant, lavender, tea tree, little magnesium oil. You can get all the base here. Toothpaste. Gotta get your toothpaste right. There's so many ways that we're getting toxins into our body through our skin, and just taking into account, like writing a list of all the different products we use, and then coming to a place like this and finding ways to replace that with different products here. So this is pretty dope. They actually got this whole like seed section here where you can come and get all these different seeds from BC, like locally regionally grown. And I've never seen this here before, but I saw it when I went to this premiere for this documentary Seeds, which go check this documentary Seeds, it's next level. But this is pretty awesome. So I'm gonna definitely get some seeds. I wanna start growing more of my own food. I know you want some spinach, right? That's your spinach. I think I'm just gonna get these three. Cilantro, kale, and mustard. Ooh, I found something for you, brother. You know, the body brush. You know, you gotta brush your skin before you go in the shower, get that blood circulating, get your lymphatic system flowing, moving.
Let them know it's a dry brush.
Dry brush. Do not get this wet. You know, this is actually one of the, it just feels so good. What's the lymphatic system? It's the sewage system to your body. How do you clean your sewers? It doesn't have its own pump. How do you clean it? These are things you gotta think about.
Breathing and
breathing, dry brushing, moving. Get your thymus gland moving. So one of the biggest ways we have toxins in our house, in our body, is through our cleaning products. Not just how we clean our skin, but how we clean our house. So I have this, I'm stocked up on my dish liquid. I'm gonna get a refill of my dish powder. Super essential. You don't wanna be thinking you're cleaning things, but you're just putting toxins on it, right? And the soap nuts. So these are little berries that you put in your washing machine, and you put these in your clothes, about eight of them in each load, and it washes your clothes for you. Like it's a soap for you. So this is my favorite way. This is how I do my laundry. Yeah, it's not bad. It smells pretty good, and you could use essential oils to scent your laundry instead of putting some artificial garbage toxic scent in it. So keep it all natural. Like just berries wash my laundry. Like honestly, 5 years ago, if I were to think about this, my mind would be blown. It's still blown, but this is where we're at right now. Like nature provides, right? Nature provides. So we just gotta recognize and give thanks for all that nature provides. So I've been coming to the soap dispense for like 2-3 years now, so I have all my jars I kind of already prepared. But when you first come, you could just buy your own jars and then always reuse them. So they have all these different selection of jars. So say this one's for the spray. So at home I have one, like a face spray. I make my own face spray, right? Then you have the dabs, right? There's all these different jars. Potential limitless. So even if you don't have your jars yet, you can feel like you can come here and you can find your jars, and then you could start to use that in your future, and it can be used for years upon years upon years. All right, so the best thing is they also have a food section. So here's all the food. Yo, look at all this. All these different spreads. 7 colors. This is the rainbow spread. The rainbow spread. We're gonna give a little taste testers. This is like the woke man's Costco. You come here for all your snacks. You don't need lunch today. This is one of your secrets as well. Just turmeric dip. Fuego. No double dipping. too good. So this is like your bulk store for all your different herbs, your different food products, your different oils. Like, I really like to come here and just try all this new stuff. Like, I saw these dips, but there's one thing I really want right now. There's this yogurt I heard of. It's called Yahoo Yogurt, and it's coconut-based yogurt, but it's handmade from a local woman here. And I heard like all the rage about it, so we gotta find some of that yogurt. We gotta stock up on some yogurt. And the blessed thing about it is that you can come here and just get a little bit. Just get a little bit. And then you could try it to see if you like it, so you don't have to commit to, you know, your whole budget just to get one little container of some turmeric. So you can just try it out and then see what you like. It's a place to experiment. It's a place to learn more about what you like and what brings that excitement out of you. So that's why I love it here. Oh, I don't know if y'all ever tried this. The black rice ramen. That's dope. So here's the menu. Look at all this. Everything that they have. And as you see, like, if they have chamomile flowers, it tells you its origin. So like in my other videos, I emphasize the importance of knowing where your food comes from. So this place, they make sure you know where it's coming from, which is a blessing.
Fill with yogurt.
Yes, please.
Okay, and so with the yogurt, we can do 400 grams. It's just 1 tablespoon per day because it's really, really probiotic.
That's why I like it. That's
Okay.
why I'm here.
Great.
Could I get 2 pickles in here?
Yep. Do you have a lid for this one?
No, I'm gonna eat it here.
Okay. Great, so your total's 32 and paying by.
Thank y'all for being here. Now I gotta collect next door.
Magnifique. Yeah. Keep walking. Wow.
It's so good.
It's so good. Yeah. Well, thanks so much for your interest.
Yeah, it's just amazing. I feel like this should be in every community. I feel like there should be a house. Or like there should be like a place where we can all go to get all our different products without having to go through to the store.
So I have arnica. That's done. And I have a rose water. That's done. And then we have sweet almond oil.
What do you do with almond oil? Just curiosity.
On the skin. Yeah, it's like a heavier thing. Here? It's just like a heavier skin oil.
And you go with the almond oil to last for hair.
Witch hazel, non-alcohol.
Hazel,
Aloe vera.
aloe
Medicaid.
vera.
And these are all refills as well. So she's got tea tree, eucalyptus,
Tea tree, eucalyptus,
clove,
peppermint, clove.
cocoa.
So what made you start this place? How did it get started?
Oh gosh, I wanted a place to refill my containers. I knew that recycling was not the answer. Like with the 3 R's, the first R is reuse,
Yeah.
or reduce, reuse, recycle. So there you go. Big haul today. But yeah, I couldn't find anywhere in town that was. It's over 100.
yeah.
So, sorry. Tried to refill.
Yeah.
So no one's gonna do it,
built out of necessity, right?
Yes. That's how a lot of businesses start.
Yeah. Beautiful. So there's the video, y'all. I just wanted to say that I was not paid for that at all. This is not an ad that was not sponsored. As a matter of fact, I spent over $170 getting all of that stuff. And how do I justify spending so much money on these products? Well, first, for the yogurt, I'm not thinking about spending $30 on just yogurt. That's like a testing of a product that interests me. It's like inspiration. It's like motivation for me to try and go make my own thing, to go, to create something that can be on that level. So that serves as an initial inspiration to get me excited about what I'm doing and about what I'm gonna eat and create. And for the $130 on all those other products, it's like we spend so much money on skincare. And the way I do it, I just buy bulk ingredients at the start, and then I create all these different products. Like, I'll make a face spray, and this face spray, you can buy it in the stores for like $30, $40, and I made it for like $3. Magnesium oil, it's like I'm making a bottle of magnesium oil for like $1.50, and you can buy it for $20. So I'm just spending more money in advance, and in the future, I'm gonna get one, better products, and two, I'm gonna be saving money. So this is just my strategy. And beyond that, it's just such an amazing store. I want all of you all to hope and go find a store like that in your city. And if there isn't one, then start creating one, because that's such a powerful place. Not only are we, reducing the plastic and the waste and the garbage that's impacting the earth, but we're able to come and just try the little things that we like, leave the things that we don't like, and just go and experiment and go get an experience. It's like inspiration to go create something. So, I love the soap dispensary, and, I hope we can all get these zero waste stores in our cities. Personally, I feel we should all have a house in the neighborhood with this kind of stuff. But, just thank you for tuning in again. Much love, much blessings. It's been a while since I put a video out, but we're back to it. The sun is shining. Give thanks. So much love to you all. Stay tuned for those high vibrations and keep curating that vibration, y'all. This is the most important thing that we got. We got to create from that invisible to get this physical the way we want it. So just keep that in mind and keep a pure heart and just keep vibing high. Ja Rastafaro.